Hi, welcome back to my artificial intelligence tutorial channel. Today, we will show you how to create an anime animation video using totally free AI tools. This video will be divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will create a video script using Chatgpt and Google Bard. In part 2, we will create an audio file using free text-to-speech AI. Finally, in the last part, we will create the animation and mix everything together. So, let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my dear. Create video script using AI. To create our video script, we can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this tutorial, we will only try ChatGPT and Bard AI. To create our video script, simply describe the kind of video you want, its topic, target age, number of words, or any other details you'd like to add. Now, let's try using the same prompt with Google Bard AI. Select the best script that matches your needs. You can find all the links for this tutorial in the video description. Part 2. Create audio using AI. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use this free text-to-speech AI. To use this AI tool, you need to register using your email or Gmail account. After the registration process is complete, go to your AI tools dashboard and select the AI text dubbing menu. Paste your AI-generated script from Part 1, select the character tone, and click the audition button to listen to your voice selection. Once everything is okay, click the confirm button and download your AI voice. Part 3. Create animation using Adobe. Now, go to the animation
How is
for
weight
YouTube
loss
page.
mastery different
To
from
use this
every
free
other weight
animation
loss
tool,
thing I
you will
have
need an
seen?
Adobe account.
This
To
information
start
is not
creating the
based on
animation,
previous How is
click
weight
the
loss
Make
mastery
Animations for
different from
YouTube
every
button.
other weight loss thing I have seen? This information is
Select
not
your
based on
character.
previous How is weight loss mastery different from
In
every
this
other weight
video, I
loss
will
thing I
use
have
an
seen?
anime girl
This
character.
information is
After
not
that,
based on
choose a
previous How
background,
is weight
or if
loss
you
mastery
prefer, you can
different from
upload your
every
own
other weight
image or
loss thing I have
background.
seen? This information is not based on previous How is weight loss
Now,
mastery
select your
different from
target
every other
platform
weight
and
loss
video
thing I have seen?
orientation.
This information is not based on previous How is weight
For
loss
the audio,
mastery
you can
different
either
from
record
every
your
other
own
weight
voice
loss thing I have
directly,
seen?
make sure to give
This
Adobe
information
website
is not
access to your
based on
microphone,
previous
or
How is
use our
weight loss mastery
AI-generated
different
voice
from
from
every
Part
other
2.
weight loss thing
Click
I have
Choose an
seen?
audio file to
This
upload your
information
audio.
is not based on previous How is weight loss mastery different from every other weight loss thing I have seen? This information is not based on
Once Adobe
previous
finishes
How is weight
processing our
loss mastery
animation
different
video,
from every
click the
other weight
download
loss
button
thing
to
I
get
have
our
seen?
anime video.
This information is not based on previous How is weight loss mastery different
Here is
from
the
every
video
other
result.
weight loss thing
Welcome
I have
back,
seen?
Stargazers.
This information is not based on
Today,
previous
we have an
How
exciting
is weight
topic
loss
to
mastery
explore.
different from every
Comments.
other weight loss thing I
What
have
are
seen?
they, and
This
why are they so
information is not
fascinating?
based on
Let us
previous
dive
How is
into the
weight loss
cosmic
mastery
world and
different from
uncover
every
the
other weight
mysteries
loss
of
thing
these
I have seen?
celestial wonders.
How is weight loss mastery different
Thank you
from
for
every
watching
other
this
weight loss
AI
thing I have
animation
seen?
tutorial.
This
Don't forget to
information
like,
is not
share, and
based on
subscribe for
previous
more
How is weight
videos like
loss
this.
mastery different from
Bye-bye!
every other weight